Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day, gonna have to give it to Azul by J Balvin. And obviously, man, we're taking a look at the J Balvin, so it's only right I put J Balvin as song of the day. Personally, I don't really listen to a lot of J Balvin, but this is a song that I actually like and I've listened to a couple times, so you guys should definitely go listen to it. I'm sure you guys probably already have. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so we obviously are going to be taking a look at the J Balvins today, and this is the box that the shoes come in. And I do have to say, I love this Jordan 1 box, man. It looks so nice. Here, let me spin it around for you guys. I just love all the colors. I like that little like Nike pink right there. It just looks so nice. I got a size 9. Make sure you guys go true to size. I got these from GOAT. They go for around 500 brand new. I'm not sure what retail was. I think it was 190. And here you guys can see the bottom. All the leathering is in like a nice pink. And yeah, let's open this up and look at the shoes, man. I'm so excited. Opening it up, you can see on the paper there's like a little basketball. Obviously, because this is a basketball shoe, you can see the Jumpman, the J Balvin logo, and like a little Thunderbolt design. I'm not sure what that is supposed to represent. Maybe it does represent something with J Balvin, but I'm not exactly sure. I just do know that this is the J Balvin logo, and you can see the little lightning bolt on the smiley face, so I'm sure it represents something with him. And here, let's actually take these out. Man, these have to be like, I already put these on the sneaker of the year list, man, but these have to be the craziest sneakers to come out last year, man. Like, look at it. It is insane. Let me put the other one. Like, man, that's crazy. And in case for some reason you guys do not know who J Balvin is, he is a reggaeton artist. He is from Colombia, and I'm from Colombia, so that is the main reason why I did pick up this shoe. And he is the first Latin artist to have a sneaker with Jordan brand. So just having that, like, this shoe is crazy, man. And this shoe is definitely going to be worth a lot of money in the future. And the first time they did debut this sneaker, it was at the Super Bowl halftime show. He was obviously wearing them on feet while performing with somebody else. And I'm not gonna lie, that has to be like the perfect way to like show off a brand new shoe, man. Because like, where else were you gonna do it? Like, just post like an Instagram picture with these shoes on? Like the Super Bowl was the perfect place to have this. And here, let me actually spin it around for you guys. I don't know how well you guys can actually see the sneaker. For me, it actually looks white right here and on the tongue as well, but it's actually a very, very light pink, kind of like this. Literally the exact same color. And on the tongues, you can actually see the Jumpman logo on one, and you can actually see the J Balvin logo on the other, and it also comes with that Deconstructed Tongue on the sides. And this shoe also comes with a lot of stuff. So it comes with black laces already in it, pink laces, Volt laces, white laces, and you can also take off this Jumpman. It's like Velcro, see? And you can put a bunch of other stuff on it. You have a basketball, you have the little lightning bolt, and I believe the J Balvin logo is on this side as well, so you can have the other one is in here as well somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it's in there. And also on the inside, as you can see, the tongues are reversed. So on this one is the J Balvin, on the back is the Jumpman, and same thing with the other thing. The inside is pretty plain, obviously. It's just like an all black material, but on the insole there is the J Balvin logo in like a Volt green, and on the other shoe I believe is the same thing. Yeah, let's see. So what this shoe is supposed to represent, it's supposed to represent his personality. And I'm not gonna lie, J Balvin is the only person that could really wear this shoe and like have it like work. Like, if I'm not gonna wear this shoe, man, like I literally cannot. It's impossible. If I wear this shoe, I promise you it is going to be the most trash fit you have ever seen. So yeah, I'm not gonna wear it just for that reason. Actually, you know what? I might take an Instagram picture with this just to see how trash my fit can actually be, because my fit is going to be horrendous with this. So that might be the only reason why I might actually wear these. But other than that, I just plan to have them sit in my closet and just keep them there, because I have to appreciate when somebody, obviously that is Colombian, does something incredible, man. Like, he's literally the first artist to have a Jordan with Jordan brand, so that's just crazy alone. And for him to be able to do this with like a Jordan 1 is crazy. Like, obviously Travis just flipped a swoosh, like that was crazy at the time, but man, who thought like this shoe would actually be real? Like, how did Jordan brand actually let him do all of this? Like, it's crazy. And also the shoe does come in like, it's an all canvas material, in case you guys did not know. And also, other than it's supposed to represent his personality, it also represents a cloud-like explosion. And the red right here is actually where it starts. And I see that, man. It's kind of like just a big explosion of color. And I feel like he did a very awesome job with this shoe. And I am super happy I was able to add it to the collection. And in case you guys did watch my other video about the sneaker store, somebody was asking $1,000 for these, and I didn't pay that, so I am very happy. So yeah, let me actually spin these around for you guys one more time. All right, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.